Well, hello everyone. Today I am thinking about, while I'm waiting for the carburetor kit, is what about that fuel filter and the fuel pump? Maybe I should take a look at that and see if I can figure out what it takes to clean that thing while I'm waiting for parts. So there's the fuel pump, or fuel filter. There's the pump. There's the filter. Not sure how to get that out of there. I'm not sure how that thing comes apart either. I haven't seen any documentation on it. So I'm contemplating taking the coil off, taking the fuel line off, running that out of the fuel pump, and then seeing how the thing works. Well, we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna put this away and I'll come back later when I figure out what I'm gonna do. Okay, I got it out. Looks like it's a ceramic filter, and the way I did it was I had to loosen that nut on the bottom. I did have to turn it a little bit to get it to where I could get on that nut, but now that I've gotten that out of there, now I get to look at how I get to clean this up. I don't know, I suppose some gasoline or something to just clean everything up, because this is filthy. But it's bone dry. It hasn't had any fuel in there in forever, it looks like. So we'll give it a look. Okay, talk to you in a bit. Okay, so there was some filth in there. It's a ceramic filter. Not sure how that's supposed to work. And it's got a glass bowl here of some sort that's really filthy, and it looks like it had an O-ring on the bottom of this thing. Must have gone in that little crevice. So I guess I'm gonna try to clean this up and see what I can get out of it. Alright, talk to you in a bit. Okay, now that I got the bowl off the bottom of the thing, I was able to take that off of the hooks. That came off, and then I was able to unscrew this thing from the fuel pump down there. So you can see right there where it was screwed in, and I just unscrewed it right there with that brass fitting. So now it looks like I got some more cleaning to do. Okay, this is what that looks like. It is a Carter. After I cleaned it up, I didn't know it for sure, but this is a Carter made in USA fuel filter. So it's got an inside and an outside, and ceramic filter, and there was I believe there was an O-ring underneath that, but yeah, I can't hardly tell, but it looks like there was one at one time. So I'm gonna have to see what it's gonna take to rebuild this thing and maybe replace it. I have no idea. I'll have to go look into it. Well, talk to you later. Well, how's everybody doing? Today I said I'd try something new, or at least some of the chats online. But I said I'd try this Barkeeper's Friend. And I'm looking at it, and it actually is polishing off some of that grime. So I think I might try to do more of this, and just to see how clean I can get it. But that's one of the things. I actually was discussing this with my dad, and I thought he had some pretty good ideas. I also was talking to him about this filter, ceramic filter. He thought that wasn't such a great idea, so I'll probably go with replacing that with a paper filter. So that thing, I'll just have to figure out some way to pipe in another something in the middle there. But that thing is probably going to go by the wayside. But other than that, it looks like today is just going to be a day of polishing on the window, because the carburetor kit is still in transit. So it's supposed to show up today, but didn't make it. So tell you what, I'm going to keep polishing on this glass, and I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll let you know how good this comes out. Bye. Okay, look at this. There's before, and there's after. I think it makes a world of difference to go after it with the barkeeper's friend. It sure does seem to make a big difference on clarity. Definitely getting better the more I polish on it. I probably need to go at it for a few hours more, but you can definitely see the difference and how before and after. I mean, that was well, after a long time working on it, and then after working on it with barkeeper's polish for a few hours, or barkeeper's friend. Anyway, looks a lot better with I'll just have to keep working at it, I think, and it'll be fine enough for use. Bye. Okay, and now from the outside. I mean, it does look tremendously better in here. You don't see all the water spots like you used to. See, there's water spots that you can see. You move out of the light, and now they're polished out. So it looks a lot better. Still need a lot of polishing, but what's left on there is barely noticeable. Okay, I've been having trouble holding on to the phone and recording videos, so I decided to take an old phone holder and an old GPS holder and kind of a portable tripod and stick the three together to build myself kind of a phone mount so that I can try and take better videos. So we'll see how this goes, and hopefully this helps out getting to better angles than what I've previously been able to get to.